Hey guys, what's up? So today I am unboxing two boxes, my Lurella box and my base box. I thought I was supposed to be also getting my premium box, but I have not gotten it. So I'm just gonna do both of these. I'm gonna start with the base box. It is $27.99 a month. It just has this little sticker. I've never seen it before. But yeah, $27.99 a month. I pay every 3 months. So I pay like $74.99 every 3 months. But yeah, here is the base box here. It is Start Your Runway, or Real Like Runway, Start Your Runway. So, price card right here. Have no idea what exactly I'm going to be getting, but I'm excited to check it out. So first things first, I got Better Than Sex Mascara. I doubt that, but anyway. I got the Better Than Sex mascara here. Too Faced. It's $28. I'm excited to try this. I feel like I've gotten their mascara, but this is what it looks like. It's very lightweight, but it's $28. I'm excited to give this a try. After I will be doing like a whole try on. I was hoping for my premium box, but once I get that in the mail as well, I'm also gonna do like a whole try on with all three of the all three boxes again. I like it. I don't know about you all, if you like it or not. If you don't, then obviously let me know. I like to unbox it, and then after that video, I like to try it all on. So yeah, that's my thing. All right, so the next thing is high altitude hydration mask. Ooh. So that is $39. And hydration mask, that sounds nice. This is what it looks like, $39. That doesn't seem too horribly expensive. What does it look like? Oh, okay. Seems very hydrating. Actually, it's not that bad. I'll give it a try and see how I like it. I might start doing some skincare videos. If you guys want to see that, let me know. But I wouldn't mind doing a skincare video. Alright, the next thing is Jekka Black Play Pots. I don't know what this is. This is vegan and cruelty free. It's a shimmer finish. I have no idea what it is, but it's value for $21.50. The hell is that? Is this what is this? What is it for? Eyes, lips, and cheeks. I do not like that. Aw, man, I wish I did not swatch that. I'm so pissed. I am pissed. It does nothing. I am disappointed. Dang it. Okay, alright. Gotta move on. I got the Wonder Beauty. This is, I think, On the Glow Blush and Illuminator. Ooh, this is my pick. Cool. I'm so excited. So here is the blush part. Super pretty. I like that color. Does it blend out nicely? Seems to be very glowy. Alright, and then here is the highlighter. It's right next to the blush, right there. Is it? It has like a nice like sheen to it. That's awesome. I'm excited. This is value for $38. I did pick this out. I remember that. I just forgot what I picked. All right, this is the Kimchi Chick Thaler bronzer. Got a bronzer from Kimchi. That's cool. I don't know if this is quite my color. It might be. But Kimchi is $15. They're actually really affordable. I'm kind of surprised. So I don't know. It might be my color. We'll give it a try. We'll give it a try. All right. So all in all, paid for the box. Not happy about this, but I am happy that I did get more makeup than skincare. I'm on a roll here. This is amazing. This is awesome. All right, so next thing is my Lurella box. My Lurella box subscription box is like by far my favorite boxes of my subscriptions. I would definitely recommend getting this box. It is, what is this? It's $29.99 a month, and you get 5 to 7 items a month, and it is like, oh, I love it. It's my favorite. Also, they have lash subscriptions, and their lashes are actually not that bad. They're they're quite comfortable, I think, in my opinion. Some of them are very dramatic. I don't do a lot of dramatic lashes, but I do like a good lash when I'm in the mood for it. But yeah, it just really depends. But I would definitely recommend getting this subscription if you guys are looking for a nice subscription box that does pretty much all makeup from their brand. Now you get you're guaranteed an eyeshadow palette every month, and then that palette will be on sale the month after. So the palette that is in this box is not here yet, but it's here in the subscription. So it looks like this. And this is the card. This is the person that had curated the box. And you can look her up at Glam by Candy. So that's really cool. All at once, summer collapsed into fall. Oscar Wilde. Make this fall your best yet. With our pick of the patch eyeshadow palette, these warm orange and yellow shades are perfect for creating cute and festive eye looks to welcome autumn. Get ready to create all your go-to looks this season. So my box is valuing of $80, and then of course it has like the prices, and also it will show the prices of the price of the eyeshadow palette. My god, look at this is a highlighter. But you guys can, oh my god, I think this is a highlighter. If I do this, hold on you guys. But I don't know how much, like, I hope that one of these days they will be like, hey Patty, do you want to be on our PR list? I'd be like, hell yeah, I do. I love their products. Oh my gosh, their eyeshadow palettes are amazing. I enjoy it. So this is their highlighter shade. Wow, look at that. You can use this as a nice like cold topper. So that's really pretty. So the highlighter here, it values of $14. I have a lot of their highlighters actually because of the subscription. And sometimes also the mystery boxes. They do mystery boxes. They will be doing one in November, so if you guys want to check that out, make sure that you guys wait for that. They do Afterpay, so yeah. They do some lashes. They have some lashes. That's awesome. And this is the Madeline. Wow, that's a very pretty lash. Like, look at that curl. Isn't that pretty? Nice and soft, super pretty, super, like, amazing. They do a lot of their lashes, or they get their lashes in here too. So, I mean, you don't have to just get their lash subscription. But yeah, oh my gosh. I think there's a lot of people that actually has their lash subscription. I see it on their Instagram all the time with their lashes, because they have 2 lash subscriptions and then this one. So this is their sponge and brush cleanser. Ooh. Oh. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna use this. Oh, it's like it's a soap. Oh, okay. Here's the soap, and then the brush thing. That's cool. Oh man. So it is $10 for that. Alright, this is their iconic gloss. Their glosses are actually really nice and comfortable and hydrating as well. They're not that sticky either, so I think you guys would really like it as well. And it's also pigmented. Their lashes, or not their lashes, but their glosses are very pigmented. So here is their gloss. This is what the doe foot looks like. And I'm running out of room. So it's right there. Really pretty. Really nice gloss. I got their brush set. Oh, that gloss too is $10. Here is their brush set. It's kind of nice too, because you know this girl needs to clean up her brushes. So I got some eye brushes and some face brushes. That's nice. The brush set is $15. So that's good. Alright, and then certainly not the least, their eyeshadow palette. I have seen this on their Instagram and it was so pretty. Isn't that pretty? Like fall. That is a fall palette. Isn't that pretty though? Oh my gosh. I'm just in love. And their palettes, I feel like they're never the same. Like their shades are never the same. So I am super happy about it. So once you guys get if you want to, you can wait next month and get this eyeshadow palette for $23. So this will be available. It's not available now. It's only available in the subscription box. So you guys can get this palette for either $29.99 in the subscription box, or you guys can get it in your in the next month, in next month's. So I hope you all like this video. Please, if you do not mind, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and have a good day. I'll see y'all soon.